Hi guys, and welcome to Python tutorial. This tutorial is actually at a request of one of my viewers out there who would like me to create a simple calculator in Python. The calculation tool should resolve simple arithmetic expression by using the following. For example, integer e.g. 6, and one of the following operators should be used: plus, minus, multiplication, and so on. At the end of the day, this is how they expect it to be. Okay, I believe you guys can see it anyway, so I'm going to go straight into Python, and it specifically says it would like it to be Python 3.9, and that's what I've got in here. So I'm going to click on File, and let's select New Project. Right, so in here I'm going to start by, let's say, print. So let's just give an instruction there asking the viewers or the user to select one of the following operators. So I'm going to copy those and just paste it right in there. So enter a code, select one of the following operators, and those are the operator. Okay, I'm just going to close this up, and these are the operators that you can select from. Close this up as well. We can just enter a comma there. Okay, that is it. So if I run, let's say, we have to save it first though. Save, and I'm just going to call it, let's come in here and just call it simple arithmetic operator, simple arithmetic calculator. Okay, simple arithmetic, that's fine. Click on save. So if I run it now, this should pop up asking the user to select one of those. So there. So the first part of it is taken care of. The second part is going to be as follows. Let's create our operator variables. So I'm going to enter in here operator. Let's say operator equals input, equals input. Enter your parentheses. So all of this operator, that's who I'm referring to here. So I'm going to come down in here and use an if statement to validate the selection made. So I'm going to say operator equals, enter that in quotes, plus. So if the operator equals plus, then I want the following. Let's say first number equals, that's going to be input, and in here I'm just going to ask the user to enter your first number. Enter the first number. Okay, enter the first number. There we go. Now we have that in place. I'm going to declare another one that will be enter the second number. Paste that in there. So that is my second variable. Enter the second number. Whatever numbers enter in here, they are actually classed as string character. Okay, they are string character. Alright, that is taken care of. So what we want to now do is to print out, there's a first number, enter a plus here. So whatever you enter in here will be displayed in here. First number, I'm going to now enter a quote plus second number. So now let's enter our second number there, second, and paste that in here. Okay, I just want the value that you've entered to be displayed. That is the whole idea. Equals, and I need to add up both. To add up both, because they are string character, they are not numeric, I have to then convert it back to string. But what I'm converting back to string is an integer value. Okay, so I'm going to enter that in there. That will be for the first number. So in here, let's just copy first, paste first in here, first number plus second number. I might as well copy this. No, just copy this alone, paste this here, plus second number, and close up the brackets, and this will be second number there. And that's all there is to it. So if I run it now, and I am going to select the plus sign there, press enter, enter the first value, enter the second value, and there we do have an error, or we have uppercase here. It doesn't recognize that because this is in lowercase. Okay, let's change these to up. This will be lowercase, sorry. Okay, that's fine. Alright, that is fine. I might as well just use that opportunity to enter some space in there. So hopefully I think I've got it right. Now run. Once I get the first one right, the rest will be easy. So the first value is going to be plus, and enter 90 and whatever. There we go. That is correct. I believe I've sorted out whatever your problem might be. So I'm going to copy this now. Let's use else if. Okay, else if it's subtract, then subtract here. Brilliant. The next one, copy and paste. If it's let's say multiplication sign, if it's multiplication, this becomes multiplication as well. And if it's division, this is division here, division, and this will become division. But with the division, we need to sort out one or two things. Change this one to division and this one to multiplication. And here we change this to subtract. There. No, subtract. Now in the case of division, if you look at the question sent to me, we shouldn't be able to divide by 0, and that is it on the table here. So let's minimize that, and right here what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here, right in between here, let's use an if statement. Let's say if second number, this one here, if the input is 0, second number equals, remember it's a string character, so I enter that is 0. Okay, then I would like the system to print this out. Where is it? Right there. 0 division error. So I'm just going to grab hold of that, and here I'm going to say print the following: 0 division error. There. Else, let's come down here, just enter else there. Else. Okay guys, let's try this out. I'm going to click on run, and let's select multiplication, enter the sign multiplication in there, and let's say we want to multiply 9 by 4. There we go, that is correct. Alright, close that. Now let's run it again and check out the division. So I'm going to select division, and we want to divide 5 by 0. There we go, 0 division error. And there's one thing I'd like to point out. You see this 0 division error on its own? I think it's a function. You can see it kind of like highlighted. And so let's run that and see. So I'm going to select division, and let's divide 78 by 0. There we go. You see, class 0 division error. So that is because it is without the quote. So with that, man, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. If you have any more suggestion, please pass it on and we'll see what we can do with that. You have a nice day now, my man, and see you around. Let's say we divide by, there we go. So I'm going to say bye for now.